Before we delve into setting up Apache Maven, I'm just going to give you a quick explanation of why we need to set up Maven on our machine. So Maven is a build management tool. It contains a POM file, which is also the heart of the actual Maven project. And what the POM file does is you can input code into this file, which is also known as dependencies, and then it will download the relevant jar files from the web. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be setting up Maven on our machine, so then our machine will recognize what exactly Maven is. So in general, for even using the command prompt or Eclipse, once we set up Maven, we can then create Maven projects, whether it's creating those projects through the command prompt, which I'm not going to be explaining within this course, but I will be explaining it through Eclipse. So just to give you another explanation, we have Maven. Maven contains a POM file with dependencies, and these dependencies create one central point for us to download all the relevant jar files. Type in Apache Maven. We go on the first link and we're going to look for the binary link. So if we go on downloads, and the link we need is this one here, binary zip. So you click on this link, let it download. It's going to be a zip file, and then extract the folder onto your desktop system. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go on our C drive, so your main hard drive. Under program files, I'm going to create a directory called dev programs. You can call it whatever you want, but normally I just call it dev programs, and that's the location where any actual applications I need when creating a Cucumber framework, I just drag and drop the actual contents of the programs within this directory. So now we've got that set up, we need to set up the system variables. So we go on system, we're going to click advanced settings, much like the Java setup. Then we're going to go on to, see I've got the directories here, but if I delete these quickly, let me just show you. So we're going to delete this as well. What happens is now, where I haven't got it set up, if I go on CMD and then type in mvmv, it's not recognizing that Maven's set up. So that's the reason why we set up system variables, so your machine recognizes the location of Maven. So now for us to set it up, so what we're going to do is, first one we're going to call it n2 home, and that is just going to be the location of this folder here. Next one we're going to create is called M2. It's going to be the same location, but you're going to put /bin, so it's going to locate the bin folder here. Final thing we're going to do is go into the path, create new, type in %sign M2, and again, okay. So we've got all that set up now. Close everything, and to confirm whether this is successfully installed, we're going to type in mvnv. So let me close that again. Let me open it again. Type in cmd mvnv. As you can see now, Apache Maven's recognized because it's telling you the actual number of the Maven.